You want to teach the Bible, and you can. As parents, we deeply desire to do what's best for our kids. We look for the best schools, or we homeschool our kids. We make sure that they have good food to eat, that they exercise, and we enroll them in extracurricular activities. We take our job seriously. But do we invest time and energy into teaching the Bible to our kids? Giving your kids the life-giving and soul-nourishing word of Scripture is doable. And it's an essential part of parenting for Jesus. And the good news is, it doesn't have to be hard. 2 Timothy 2:15 says, "Do your best to present yourself to God as one approved, a worker who has no need to be ashamed, rightly handling the word of truth." As Christian parents, our job as people who love Jesus is to help our kids become approved workers, unashamed and rightly handling the word of truth. Teaching the Bible to our kids doesn't have to be hard. In fact, we can study the Bible together as a family. I'm Danica Cooley, and my book with Bethany House, Help Your Kids Learn and Love the Bible, will help equip you and give you the tools and confidence you need to study the Bible as a family. It will help you identify and overcome your fears and objections, give you a crash course in what the Bible is all about and how to teach it, and provide you the guidance you need to set up a family Bible study habit. You will finish this book feeling encouraged and empowered to initiate and strengthen your child's relationship with the Lord through His Word. Learn more about Help Your Kids Learn and Love the Bible, and grab your free 130-page Family Bible Study Toolkit at lovethebibleforkids.com.